Welcome to Crypto Tech Views. Every day we are reviewing Bitcoin price in multiple time frames and in multiple trading systems and making an educated price prediction for the next day after analyzing global markets data and Bitcoin options open interest data. Let us begin the video for today. As we clearly called out yesterday, bears were under complete control for the Bitcoin. Since the global market sell-off happened, along with the global markets, Bitcoin also went for a severe sell-off. We clearly called out that important levels are broken, so bulls will not be able to protect any of the levels, and there can be a flash crash that can happen. That's what I called out in the video yesterday. And the same way we expected, the flash crash happened and it went up to 29 odd levels, and then it's now trying to retrace back. Right, so if we could review the S&P 500, so it is a strong bearish candle it put, and Nasdaq, nothing going well for Nasdaq as well. So it since the market opening, it was keep getting sold off. Right, so everything is looking bearish at the moment, but there is a slight positivity to this. I will explain this while in the towards end of this video. If we could review other technical picture for Bitcoin, we can clearly see the Camarilla pivot point S4 level at the bottom, it broken, but it's trying to bounce it back actually. Right, so it broke the S4 level of the previous week. Yeah, after many weeks, right, the S4, the level was broken in the weekly time frame. Immediately, did not even had any strength to revisit back this S4. Yeah, the moment S4 is broken, it's all done actually. That's how it's played out actually. But this time also the S4 is broken, but it looks like it has got some stronger support from the weekly time frame. But that we will wait and review that also actually. Right, so it's trying to retrace it back, but let's see whether this is having any kind of a strength to hold this level actually. Right, from the Fibonacci series EMA ribbon. So this is a one-day chart. Actually, I need to switch to 4-hour chart because every day we are reviewing 4-hourly chart only. Right, so a couple of times it happened some days back. Right, it took support from 89 levels, and one time it went to 144 level, and this was the 40,000 resistance. And after this particular leader candle, the whole big trend evolved after the leader candle appeared here. Right, but on the trend is on the downside. See, it's so very rhythmically it went down. It's now trying to retrace back, but every EMA will act as a resistance actually. So there's a lot more levels to be cleared for any kind of a bullishness at all coming to the market actually. Right, so Fibonacci retracement level, this is a redrawn Fibonacci retracement. So I take this as 1 and the top as 0, so that we will get some levels from the downside. So we can clearly see it took a support from this 27.2% level actually. All right, so that's why we need to redraw again when based on the market, how the market is going, so that we will get a very clear level actually. When this level was revisited, I thought that maybe a one level of support, but I didn't expect such a strong support to emerge. So but bounce back happened. Right, so we can expect that this trading range may continue. Obviously everything looking bearish, but this is a strong some short covering or something happened. That's why it is looking strong, and but we can expect this level may eventually hold. But for that I'll tell you more reasons going forward. Maybe even if it is breaking and there may not be a huge downfall from here, at least some more levels are broken. Right, so I will explain the reasoning why. If you could review the this is the anchored VWAP. So this is the previous swing low, this is previous swing high. In fact, all are broken. Previous swing low is broken. Right, so it is just falling like a knife from there actually. So when it is coming back, it may face a kind of a resistance around here. Once it is able to clear, it will try to stay back here. But nothing looks like it will be able to do all these things actually. Right, so it has to be a good effort that has to be made at least to hold this particular level. Otherwise, BS will come back. If there is a decent height, every sell will be every rise will be sold off actually. Right, every it's a sell on rise market. So the more it rises, the more BS will get comfortable to short the market actually. right? So if you could review this one day chart, actually from the this is the only thing which I need to show in this chart. Actually it is down 37% from the recent top, right? So from the weekly level, this is what I wanted to let you know. This also should be in my thumbnail for the, today's video. So I have made a thumbnail like history repeats. History repeated also this month also, right? So this time also, last 17th May 21st, this particular strong bearish candle appear, right? And by the time when the May started coming, see this the 10th May, this was the 10th May, yeah, fall, and this is 17th May fall. The 2 weeks back to back it fell drastically. The moment May started coming, that bearishness came into the picture, and then it went down drastically from here to here, right? But this particular support zone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in fact 7, and today, including today, 8 times it took a support, in this particular support band. So there is a remote chance that even in this highly bearish looking market, there is a chance that this particular support band may eventually hold it. Actually, we are not sure whether it will hold or not, but there is a chance that it may eventually hold. So, but everything looked bearish. In the same, I remember when it was happening the last year, I remember the same thing. Everything looked bearish. But all of a sudden, this kind of a small retracement happened. The next week went a little bit decent. Again, couple of times it was struggling to cross back. But after these 3 bottoms were made, see the rally. It even took out the all-time high, right? So I'm not saying this may also repeat, but there is a chance that it can repeat. Actually, history can repeat on the upside as well, right? Not only the downside actually. So if this is happening, if the history is to repeat by itself exactly the same way what it played last year, then the June, July onwards, maybe there may be a bounce coming back. We don't know. Right? So, but there is a chance, right? That's what I would like to explain in the whole video today. And one more thing is like, if you could review the Bitcoin options open interest data for the 11th May, that supports the hypothesis which we made just now, actually, right? This data supports 29,000 seems to be a strong support in this, hugely falling market, right? 29,000. See, there's no call written there. So since there's no call written there, we can reasonably assume that the temporary bottom is made. That's what we can deduce from this data, right? So yeah, obviously this is all my technical views. Now please consult with your financial advisor for trading, right? So thanks all for watching. That's all for the video today. See you all in the video tomorrow.